The solar system is, well, a gravitationally bound system consisting of the Sun and all celestial bodies that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. This includes planets, moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and even cosmic dust.
The Sun, it's a G-type main sequence star, also known as G2V. It accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Its energy comes from the nuclear fusion of hydrogen into helium, and it serves as the center and the primary source of light and heat for the entire solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system, and they are divided into 2 groups: terrestrial or rocky planets and gas or ice giants.
Let's start with the terrestrial planets. First up, Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun, and, well, it has no atmosphere. Its surface is heavily cratered and rocky, giving it a very unique and rugged appearance. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is truly fascinating. It has a thick, toxic atmosphere, mostly made up of carbon dioxide. This thick blanket of gas traps heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system thanks to a runaway greenhouse effect. Oh, and here's something interesting. Venus has retrograde rotation, meaning it spins in the opposite direction to most other planets. Isn't that wild? Now, Earth, our home. It's the only planet we know of that supports life. And that's pretty incredible, isn't it? About 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water, which is quite unique. And let's not forget, Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which has been a source of wonder and inspiration for centuries. Mars, often called the Red Planet, is next. Its reddish appearance comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. Mars has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, which is very different from Earth's. And here's a really cool fact. Scientists have found evidence that liquid water once flowed on Mars long ago. Imagine what it must have been like back then. Jupiter, the 5th planet from our Sun, is the largest planet in the solar system. It's mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, giving it its massive size and gaseous nature. And, let's not forget its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, which is actually a giant storm that's been raging for centuries. Plus, Jupiter has over 90 moons orbiting it, making it a true giant in every sense. Next up, Saturn. This gas giant is best known for its stunning and prominent ring system, a feature that makes it stand out in the solar system. Saturn also has dozens of moons, including Titan, which is one of the most fascinating moons we know of. It's truly a planet that captures the imagination. And then we have Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. It's an ice giant with a striking blue-green color thanks to the methane in its atmosphere. What's really unique about Uranus is that it rotates on its side, almost as if it's rolling along its orbit. Quite the unusual planet, don't you think? Neptune, the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun, is truly fascinating. Its deep blue color is mesmerizing, isn't it? Oh, and did you know? Neptune boasts the fastest winds in the entire solar system. Incredible, right?
Dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres are unique celestial bodies. They share many characteristics with planets, but here's the thing. They haven't cleared their orbit of other debris. It's a small yet important distinction. Moons, or natural satellites, orbit planets throughout our solar system. For example, Earth has just one moon, while gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn have dozens of them. Some of these moons, like Europa, Ganymede, and Titan, are especially intriguing in their own right. Asteroids are rocky bodies, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids, on the other hand, are small rocks or particles floating around in space. When these meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up, we call them meteors. And if a meteoroid makes it all the way to Earth's surface, well, that's when it becomes a meteorite. Comets, well, they are fascinating objects made of ice, rock, and dust. They have these incredible tails that always point away from the Sun, thanks to the solar wind. Most comets originate from 2 regions, the Kuiper Belt or the distant Oort cloud. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond Neptune, filled with icy bodies, and it even includes Pluto. On the other hand, the Oort cloud, though still theoretical, is believed to be a vast cloud of icy objects located far beyond the Kuiper Belt. The solar system, as we know it, formed about 4.6 billion years ago. It all started with a rotating cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. The sun took shape at the center, while the planets formed from the remaining material swirling around. Humanity's exploration of the solar system has been remarkable, with missions like Voyager 1 and 2, New Horizons, the Mars rovers, Curiosity and Perseverance, and of course the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. Each of these missions has expanded our understanding of the cosmos in ways we could have only dreamed of.